Hello and welcome to this video. What is SQL Server? SQL Server is a relational database management system developed by Microsoft. As a database server, it is a software product with the primary function of storing and retrieving data as requested by other software applications which may either run on the same computer or on another computer across a network or the internet. SQL Server exclusively used to only run on a Windows-based environment, but for the past few years, Microsoft has made it also available to run on a Linux-based environment. The current version of SQL Server, as of the time I'm recording this video, is SQL Server 2019. In most production environments, SQL Server will be installed normally on a dedicated machine, and then users would log into that machine remotely from their own computer to access the databases that they want to use. You can also install SQL Server locally on your own computer. SQL Server can be used for different purposes apart from as a database server. Every server installation of SQL is referred to as an instance. So a single instance is a single installation of SQL Server which can hold many individual databases. In order to interact and communicate with the data stored in relational database management system, there is a special language called structural query language which is used to interact with most relational database management system. Microsoft SQL Server has its own implementation of the SQL language, which is called Transact SQL, which is also referred to as T-SQL for short. In this video, I gave you a brief introduction to what SQL Server is. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.